Solving quadratic equations using graphs and tables, part 3. Like I mentioned in part 2, I'm going to cover a plot that has only one answer. Well, actually two, but they're both the same, so we call it one answer. If you haven't seen part 1, please click up here and watch the first couple of minutes of it, because it covers the rules that I have to plot this equation. Okay, so we come here and set y equals 0, because if you have x and y, this is your x-axis and that's your y. And when you set it to 0, when y is 0, that means your x-axis, any point on this axis would be covered as y equals 0. And when your curve crosses this line, that would be your answer. And as I mentioned before, the easiest way to go is plug in 1, 0, and minus 1 to start with. So we have x, y, we get, let's say minus 1, 0, and 1. So we plug them in. So we have minus 1 times minus 1 squared plus 2x, which is 2 times minus 1 minus 1 is equal to what? We got minus 1 plus, times 1, minus 1 squared is 1, plus, or minus 1 times 2 is minus 2, minus 1 adds up to minus 4. So where we have x equals minus 1, y would be minus 4. That's a minus. Alright, now what's happening if we put 0 in there? So we have 0 plus 2 times 0 is 0 minus 1, which is minus 1. What happens if you put 1 in there? Okay, we got 1 minus 1, 1 squared is 1, plus 2x, which is 2 times 1, which is 2, minus 1 adds up to 0. Okay, I'm going to stop right here and plot these three numbers and see what the curve looks like. I already plotted, put the numbers here. Okay, and then you say insert, recommended chart, okay, it looks like as we're going from negative to positive on the x-axis, you have minus 1 is 4, 0 would be minus 1 for y, and then 1 for x would be 0. That's your answer right there, but let's see if it keeps on going up or down. So basically, let's go back here. Your chart is going up and touching the axis, and we want to see if it's going to cross it or not. So we have to increase the x's on the positive side. So we go 2, 3, maybe 4. Okay, let's do 2. That would be minus 2 squared is 4 plus 2 times 2 is 4 minus 1. So these two cancel, so the answer is minus 1. Now, what happens if you put 3? So we have minus 3 squared is 9 plus 2 times 3 is 6 minus 1. So we get minus 10 plus 6 is minus 4. All right. We have for 2 is minus 1. For 3 is minus 4. Oh, it looks like, see, the curve went up, and it's going back down again. So as it goes to 2, it goes negative again. So it's not going to go any higher. So basically, your upside down U, which is your parabola, looks like this. Let's go and plot it. All right, let's see. This is what I have. All right, let's plot this. Insert recommended chart. That's it. That's what it's looking like. Let's go dark and see. Ooh, I like this better. So basically, we started from here. It went up, just touched the x-axis, and went back down again. So here is your answer. When x is equal 1, y is equal 0. So your answer is 1. Let me highlight this, and that would be your answer. If you need me to cover more of this, let me know so I can do another one. I might do another video for when we have no answer, where your curve doesn't cross the x-axis. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. So yeah, let's just do that. That would be part 4 on this series. Okay, see you next time.